And a good Tuesday morning to you here from Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Devin Boyer here with your campus weather service forecast for this Tuesday, April 5th. The word of the week, unfortunately, is wet. We'll see rain conditions in the area pretty much every day this week. But the good news is that we at least won't see those severe thunderstorms that were rolling across the country yesterday. We've seen reports, over 800 reports of damage from thunderstorms that rolled across the country, mostly in the southeast yesterday. Thankfully, that area is moving off to the east, and so we're not really going to see as much in the way of that for the rest of the week here. So as we look outside right now, we see we've got 43 degrees with overcast skies and some heavy rain showers moving through State College. We also see winds out of the northwest at 13 miles an hour. And so as we look at the radar across the state, you can see we actually have some snow showers up here as temperatures dropped off behind the cold front. Up in the northwestern section, there was reports of snow in Bradford as well as over in Meadville, south of Erie. Meanwhile, over in the eastern part of the state here, we're seeing some thunderstorms that rolled through, and they do appear to be weakening a bit, which is always a welcome break. And so then, as we look at the true view conditions for the eastern third of the state, we'll see at 6 a.m. it was still pretty warm across the eastern part. It was 60 degrees in Lancaster as well as Allentown, and 66 degrees down in Philadelphia, with those thunderstorms rolling across that part of the state then. And so there was the National Weather Service just canceled a severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect here in the southeast corner of the state. And that's good news because it means that they feel that the potential for at least those severe thunderstorms in Pennsylvania is over. However, across most of the center part of the state, we do have flood watches and flood advisories in effect until the mid-morning hours due to all that heavy rain that has fallen over the overnight hours. So as we take it out to the regional view, you can see those rain across the mid-Atlantic here. You can see those stronger storms were working their way in the very eastern edges of Pennsylvania, as well as down here in Virginia, where they actually had a tornado warning earlier this morning here, as well as some other damaging winds it was looking like. And so as we look at temperatures, you can pretty much point out that front there. You see 57 over here in Scranton. Meanwhile, back in Bradford, just a few hundred miles to the west there, it's only 32, and that's why they're seeing some of those snow showers. 46 down in Cumberland, Maryland, whereas it's 58 in Washington, D.C. And so as we look at our eye on the sky pressure forecast, you can see these numbers as we go through the next 24 hours are on the increase. And what that's showing us is that the low pressure that brought us that cold front and all this rain is moving off to our north and east and bringing in some higher pressure behind it, which should mean somewhat improved conditions from what we've seen overnight. And so if we take a look at our forecast for today, we see cloudy skies across the state. Some rain will stick around a bit more towards the eastern part here, but the temperatures are the big story. They're much colder than they were yesterday. 45 degrees in State College, 47 out in Pittsburgh, 54 degrees in Harrisburg, and 50 degrees out in Philadelphia. Tonight, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. The rain is actually going to move out for once, and so we'll see temperatures generally in the upper 20s to low 30s. There will be a little more clearing up in the northwest here with some partly cloudy skies, but it'll also drop off a bit more, 26 in Scranton and then 23 over in Bradford. Meanwhile, for tomorrow, we'll see mostly cloudy skies again with that chance for rain working its way back into the area late. Temperatures will rebound just a little bit more with 50 degrees in State College, 53 over in Pittsburgh, and 57 off in Harrisburg. So then for your 5-day, we'll see the rain sticks around even more on to Thursday, mostly cloudy with some rain coming in late and a low of 56. Friday, the rain will continue with a high of 53 and a low in the mid-40s. And then into your Saturday, we will break the 60-degree mark, but unfortunately with some mostly cloudy skies and some some rain showers, I should say, working their way back in yet again. From the Penn State Weather Center, I'm your student meteorologist Devin Boyer. Have a great day.